Alright guys, so this is question 14. So let's ask the solution of it. The question 14 is make M the subject of the relation. Okay, we have K equal to square root of what M minus Y over L plus Y, and the question says to make what M the subject of the relation. So this is subject of formula, okay, under mathematics. So we have to look at the solution. To solve this question, let me write the question outside, the expression outside. So K is equal to square root of, that is N minus Y divided by, that is N plus Y. And we are told to make M the subject of formula. So how do you make M as a formula in this place? The first step here, if you look at this M, is covered with what? Square roots. Okay, to count the square root here, you have to take what? The square of both sides. Okay, you take the square of both sides. So if you take the square root of both sides, it will be square of K, okay, equal to square of this side, okay, that is root of, that is M minus Y divided by, that's M plus Y. So we want to take the square of it. So this square, we count the square root here. So now it means our K now becomes K is equal to K square, rather, is equal to, that is M minus Y over, that is M what plus Y. We are still working towards M because we want to make M so the formula. So what just have to do here, since this place is in fraction, also make this one also what in fraction, and they are separated by equal to, what you just have to do next is the cross multiply. So when you can multiply, this multiply by this and this multiply by this. So it means that's what M plus Y multiplied by K square. So this one becomes, that is what, that is K square, okay, multiplied by them open bracket, that is M plus Y close bracket equal to, and 1 times M minus Y is the same as what, as M minus Y. Now we're working towards M. We have M here, we have M here. So we want to find the means to make M to be in one part. So first of all, we open this bracket with K square. So when you open this bracket with K square, so okay, that's equal to, that is K square times M, that's what, that K square what, M plus K square times 1, that give us what, as K what, square. Okay, equal to, we have M minus what, minus Y. So the next thing you have to do here, because I work towards M, we want to make M so the formula, so you have to take what, M to M. Okay, so if you take M to M here, you can take this one to this place, or you can take this one to this place, and how you do it. But let me take this word M of K square M, let's take to this place, and let me take this Y to this place. So this one becomes equal to, we have our when you take Y to this place, we have M, we have K square here already, plus this one is to plus Y, we consider this one to plus, that's plus for Y equal to, we have M here already, that's M. Okay, when you take this one to this side, right, that equal to minus, that is minus what, K what square M. So if you look at this part now, what is common to this part? Let me draw a line. Okay, can still work here. So what is common to this part here? In the first part and second part here, M is common to both parts, right? So this one becomes equal to, that is K was K square plus Y equal to, so we have M is common to both sides, we have M, okay, open brackets, M divided by M, that is 1. So this will mean 1 minus M divided by K square M, that you have for K square. So close bracket. Now to get the value of M now, you have to divide both sides by the equation of M. And what is the equation of M? The equation of M here is what? 1 minus K square. So I have to divide both sides by 1 minus K square. And this one also divided by 1 minus K square. So 1 minus K square becomes 1 minus K square here. So now becomes our M now is equal to, we have a K square plus Y divided by as 1 minus K square. So this is the solution of M. So let's dive to it. Let's see our option there. So if you look up option A, okay, we have minus down, okay, I think we have this, the answer is B. So let me check this, okay, this one is minus here, no, we have plus, so the answer is B. What changes here? This Y, you can take this Y to this side and you can take this K square to this side, so it's the same thing. So if you want to make it like that, it will be equal to, that equals according to the option we have here, because the option is B. So this y can come to this place. We have a y what plus what k square over 1 minus k what square. So it's still the same thing, okay? Still the same thing as this. So the option is option what? B. So B is the solution to this problem. So let's go to the next question, that is question 15.